Hello everyone, I have to tell you that every tip or instruction mentioned in this video has been verified by the mechanics working in the shop where I am right now. If you've ever turned on your Mazda 6 and saw the message that says I-ELOOP inspection required, the first thing that probably runs through your mind is something like, oh no, did my car just break down completely? Take a deep breath. This message isn't the automotive apocalypse. It's just your car giving you a little heads up about the I-ELOOP system, the system that recovers energy when you brake and helps keep your car's electrical system happy. Basically, it's like the silent superhero of your battery, and when it senses something off, it lets you know. So, what might be happening? Most of the time, this warning appears because the I-ELOOP capacitor is failing or the main 12-volt battery is a little weak. Some owners who bring their cars to this shop mention that their battery was old or discharged, which is enough for the system to go into drama mode and show the warning. Others found that simply cleaning the battery terminals or making sure the connections were tight made the message disappear like magic, though sometimes it's only a temporary fix. If you want to try a quick solution before spending money, there's a trick a few users recommend. Disconnect the battery for a few minutes. It's like giving your car's brain a mini reset. Some say the message disappears and the car goes back to normal for a while. But remember, this doesn't fix the root cause. If something is really wrong, the warning will come back sooner or later. Now, if the battery is old or worn out, the safest move is to replace it with a compatible AGM battery. Many owners did this, and guess what? The warning never returned. It's like giving your Mazda a strong cup of coffee. It recharges its energy and feels happy. Also, checking that the terminals are clean and properly connected can prevent false warnings that make you think the car is falling apart. But if, after checking the battery and terminals, the warning still shows up, the most likely culprit is the I-ELOOP capacitor. This component temporarily stores energy, and if it fails, your car complains by showing the warning on the dashboard. Some customers have replaced it with a new or refurbished unit and problem solved. Keep in mind, this part is a bit more expensive and technical, so you may need a specialized mechanic to handle it. Finally, some mechanics simply erase the code with a scanner, and as long as it doesn't come back immediately, the car continues working normally. But this is like patching a hole with tape. It might work for a while, but if the problem is still there, it will return. So if you want to be 100% sure, the best approach is to diagnose it properly and replace whatever is failing, whether it's the battery or the capacitor.